The Tampa RV show can be overwhelming for some, but not for me. These days, my interest is only with the Class B vans. The Tampa RV show can be overwhelming for some, but not for me. These days, my interest is only with the Class B vans. The Tampa RV show can be... Hello. Welcome to my lair. This is the inner sanctum, the HumbleRoad inner sanctum. This is the center bay of a 3-car garage barn that I built, and it started life as my workshop. The bottom dropped out of the photo industry. I sold my studio. I moved some stuff in here. So I got 1/3 workshop, 1/3 editing suite, 1/3 now storage for baby carriages and everything. That's another story. But anyway, here's where I do all my editing. This stuff, as technology goes, is getting a little long in the tooth. It's old stuff. I got to get some new machines here. I do Photoshop and Adobe Premiere on this machine. This is stills and video, my palette monitor, tablet. This side is my sound side. I've got a small mixing board. I got a boom mic, and I go into Adobe Audition. And this is where I sweeten up the narrations. When you hear those narrations, I'm standing here, I got a prompter, and I'm reading off it, and this is how I got to do it. It's just Gary Hannon. That's how I do it. I should probably put a camera on me over here. But that's how it is. Now, I got to tell you, I got over 5,000 subscribers now. Over 5,300 subscribers this morning. This is all because of you. You made this possible. I cannot get over the support, the enthusiasm, the way you've embraced me and these videos. I couldn't have expected this. I didn't expect this to happen like this. I am thrilled. It's been so much fun, and your responses are all over the top, through the roof. Every video, I read these comments. I read every one, and I reply to everyone. Well, you know, there'll be come a time where I just can't do that anymore. But I won't forget you. All right. You know that I am so grateful, and I could have never done any of this without your support and your acceptance. That's the bottom line. You've accepted me. I'm going to go at it. I actually have a backlog. I talk so much that I got myself in deep trouble here. I have the Class B series where we're going to look at all the Class Bs and what I look for, front to back. I got all the footage from the Tampa RV show to back it up. The next one is on the bathrooms, which I call the head. Bathrooms and what you put in the back of the van. Make sure you got some storage. So that's the next one that's coming out. Then we got the van comparison. Sprinter van, Ford Transit, Dodge ProMaster. I'm going to do a full comparison on that. I've already started doing my research, saving files, taking numbers. I got spreadsheets. I got the whole thing going on. I even have calipers. The next thing, we got the van comparison. We got the Class B. What else have I got going? Tomorrow morning, I'm going to look at a Sprinter van. I finally found one. It's a 170 wheelbase, extended body. It's got leather seats. It's got all the options from the factory. 2017, brand new. I did not want to do this. I wasn't kidding. I got calipers. I didn't want to do this until I made my fair comparison. But Sprinters are real hard to find. I'm going to look. I'm just telling you. I'm going to look. We'll see what happens. But we got a lot to cover. I got a lot of content to get through. I know there's one I'm forgetting. There's one other video I'm forgetting. But you'll probably remind me in the comments below. Thank you. None of this, HumbleRoad, would not exist without you all. You all have made this possible. Thank you. Thank you. The RV show can be overwhelming for some, but not for me. These days, my interest is only with the Class B vans. And I have pretty much narrowed down the choices to just a few. Keep a sharp eye out for my video series on the Class B van.